Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Photos app and finding the live photo you want to edit. Tap Edit immediately so you can access the live controls and the frame scrubber. This lets you pick a better key photo. Once done, scrub through frames to locate the exact moment with the sharpest composition and expression. Make sure to tap Make Key Photo to lock that frame, because subsequent edits like cropping or filters will inherit that chosen still. Now refine motion and timing. Toggle live on or off depending on whether you want movement, and experiment with loop or bounce for playback style. Drag the yellow trim handles at the bottom to shorten the live segment. Shorter motion looks cleaner and reduces blur. You should also reselect the key photo if trimming changed the best frame. Then apply filters, exposure, or color corrections to lock a consistent look across the live sequence. These edits affect both the still and the motion. Finish by cropping and straightening to improve composition. Choose an aspect ratio if you need a fixed crop for sharing. Tap Done to save the photo with motion intact, or use Revert to Original if you need to start over. If the live photo stutters or appears choppy after edits, make sure you reduce the duration and selected a crisper keyframe. Sometimes disabling live and re-enabling it after resaving clears playback glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.